What's going on, YouTubers? It's Kame3Val back again here for another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing the most expensive thing I've ever bought from my car before. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and just start getting the box going here. And I guess this is like my first vlog video, so you know, I'm just trying to do something a little bit different here for everybody. That cut. Yo. Here we are again, and I'm actually gonna start unboxing the actual package and give my initial reaction, because like I'm so excited about this, like you have no idea. So flip it back here to the other screen, and whoo, whoo, whoo. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my gosh, like I'm looking at this and just the amount of money that went into this, for me at least as a high schooler, you know, working my 30 hours a week. This is to drop $800 on something, you know, I can't wait to get this up on the channel. I can't wait to see how I do with this. Probably gonna start out, and if you guys didn't know what this is the SR Performance V2 coilover kit. It was probably the best budgeting coils I could find that were actually a decent ride. I know with coils you're never actually gonna get the ride, you know, like you would get with like air ride suspension, which was my first thing to go to, but I just could not find my way to save the money to get the $3 grand for the digital air kit. So this is what I ended up settling on, and I couldn't be happier. I mean, I'm just gonna take a look more at what's going on in here. You can see, obviously I really don't have to say much about it, because I mean, here it is. I mean, I am so ecstatic, and hopefully I can get these on Monday. Monday is the plan for something like this. I got an off day, so I'm hopefully gonna spend all day in the garage getting these things on, finding the perfect fitment, going out for a few rides, making sure I find that perfect ride height. And then once I do that, I'm gonna get you guys a video on what I really love about these and what I hate about them, because pros and cons are important. Taking a look more into the quality, what we got going on here. I'll go ahead and take this out. Oh my gosh. Man, let me tell you though, suspension is heavy. Look at that, that looks so clean. I can't wait to get going on this. Like, I am so ready, so ready to get into this. Oh man, like I don't even know what to say anymore. Thanks guys for tuning in for another video. I know this one's a little bit shorter, but I just wanted to show, and